Yes, Bobby, you called.
Yes, it's hot in here, Cherry.
And?
Why?
Because the air conditioning isn't working. I told you it needed to be repaired.
Oh, sorry, who should I call again?
I put the number in the description of this video.
Are they good?
They are the best in San Diego for air conditioning. They know what they are doing, Bobby. We have used them many times. We can trust that they do a good job.
I will call them right now. What's the chance of a coffee?
None, Barbie, unless you get it yourself.
I deserved that. I had better call that number straight away and get the technicians here as soon as possible.
Might be a good idea.